So coming to payment section here, guys, how much will you get paid? Now listen carefully, guys, this is very, very important. Okay, possible up to $1,000. That's it. If you work as editor, you have to make this amount within 30 days. But if you work as a managing editor, you can make up to $2,000 within 30 days. Now look at this also. They say average per month that you're expected to be earning within 30 days is, when you work as editor, you can make up to $250 US, and if you work as a managing editor, you can make up to $750. $750 as of today when I'm making this video is almost approximation of 1 million Nigerian naira. Almost 1 million Nigerian naira. This is what you stand to make working remotely anywhere you are, irrespective of your country, to make money online at the comfort of your home. And that's not all. See, let me further say, what does the payment include? It said $200 fixed monthly payment. So you can see now, it's not like maybe I am the one that's saying it, that maybe you can make, you read it. I show you this thing, you also read it. We read this thing together. I'm not the one promising you. This is what this website is promising every one of you watching this video, that irrespective of your country, this is remote job. It's worldwide remote job. That is, you are watching this video now, you are all eligible to apply for this. So this is what I want to show you now, guys, on how to apply for this remote job, ins and outs of this before you can even say you want to apply. What are the things you need to put in place? What are the things, how you need to prepare yourself so that you can be employed to this opportunity, guys. So before I go further on this to show you everything, every step, please give me a like on this video and drop the comment on this video. You'll see the keyword here on my screen. Drop it in the comment section, guys. And if you are very new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you, guys. I love you. Without further ado, guys, let's go. So I have 3 websites I want to give you to where you can get the opportunity of making money online by working remotely, right? Where you can put your CV or work online and make money. So the first of it here is JobsforEditor. JobsforEditors.com. JobsforEditors.com. So look at it here, guys. So when you get to this place now, you can check prices there, and under prices is where you get this the amount of money you can make from this place. Now if you apply as an editor, if you apply as managing editor, you can make up to $1,000, $2,000, and you know, average per month $250, $750. And what does the payment includes is $200 fixed monthly payments, and so on. Just read further. So you want to apply now, are you applying as editor or managing editor? So you can click apply button here. But before you apply, please, I want you guys to take note of many things here before you even apply. So you need to have understanding of what you apply on. Okay, notes in case the managing editor covers the required workload of 80 orders per month. Otherwise, the flat fee is recalculated according to the number of orders completed. So you can read further about this, everything. Okay, simple, urgent deadline, non-urgent deadline. So this is how you can make money. Everything is what they put it down here. They break it down here on how you can make money from this job. So one thing is very, very important. Before you will apply for this, you have to take tests. Okay, very, very important. You have to take tests. So let me show you now on how to apply for the test. To apply for the test, you see test here. So click on this test assignments. So let's read this together now. Test assignment guidelines. To register with us as an editor, you have to complete a grammar test and edit a 2-page sample paper. Send us your CV first to get a test assignment. While editing, you will have to ensure that the text is compliant with the instructions, stylistically and grammatically correct, free from punctuation mistakes. What we evaluate, so you can just read further, then you can click here to submit your CV. Let me click on it. So to submit your CV now, you put your email address, then you will upload your CV from here now. Select the vacancy: freelance editor, managing editor, freelance programmer. Then you click on I have read and agreed to privacy policy. Then you will click here, I am not a robot. Then you will click send. Then they will get in touch with you. So after that, now they will connect with you with the job vacancy and many other things like that. So let's quickly check this position, managing editor. So as managing editor, managing editors wanted. Our international team of content creators is looking for freelance managing editors, which is mentors, to work remotely with us. Feel free to apply for the position if editing and mentoring tasks sounds interesting to you. So this remotely means that you can work from anywhere without traveling or going out. So anywhere, any country you are, you can work. So look at it now. Position details. You see now everything has put here, have been arranged here. Now you can read further about this. Our application should have advanced level of English written. I know everything like that. Just read further. You will be responsible for all these things. We offer manager editor salary. Look at it. Your monthly salary depends on the number of quality of the completed pages or orders. Here are the approximate averages. Here are the approximate averages. So 40 hours per week. That's like 350 pages per month. That is $1,000 per month. Then look at this condition also. 300 pages, $800 per month, $500 per month. So all these are very, very good amount of money, especially if you are from Africa country here. So this is very good amount of money for us to be earning within a month, guys. So to apply for this position now, guys, you need to click on send your CV. I swear. So you put your email, upload your CV, tick this one, then click on submit. That's all. Then one more thing that's very, very important I want you guys to take note of is FAQ. I don't joke with FAQ, frequently asked questions. So where is your company located, who we are, and many other things. How can I become part of your team? Read everything. Just take your time to read everything. I don't want this video to be longer unnecessarily. Things that you can do on your own. I don't just want to be wasting time reading it for you guys. So how will I receive my payment? So everything is there, guys. Okay, and if you have questions, just drop it in the comment box for me. So I want to move to another one now, whereby you can also make money from this. At the end of this video now, I want to show you guys how to do this even without you spending any amount of money. Either you have experience or you don't have experience about this. I will show you everything. So that's why you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of this. So let's go again, guys. So another one here is join our ProofreadingServices.com. ProofreadingServices.com/pages/careers. ProofreadingServices.com/pages/careers. So if you click on it now, or if you enter it, it will take you to this place. This page is where we hire proofreaders and editors. Please use the link to get a code for proofreading and editing services. I think I made a video on this website for you guys in one of my videos. So on how you can do this and make money from this. So there are many things I make on remote job, working online, making money online. So I think I've treated this website for you there very, very well. So to apply for this now, you can just click here, apply to be an online proofreader. So we have tests to do now. ProofreadingServices.com preliminary applicant test. So they gave us the countdown time of maybe 2 minutes and some, up to 2 minutes plus. Yeah. So put your name here, first name, last name, which is your surname, your email address, location, state, Nigeria. This is my IP, that's why it shows Nigeria. And now you have to answer this question. Don't forget, this is counting down. Now multiple choice question, so tick it. Make sure you read carefully to fill up this question given. This is your test, so fill up everything. You have to be very, very fast. That's why I'm showing you this secret. Now 3 to 4 sentence writing sample. So you have to fill all these things very, very fast. So they want to know how fast you have to do some things online. So this is test. So they want to know your results. And at the end now, just make sure you click agree to the terms and services. Also then click on submit. That's all. So now watching this video now help you to prepare ahead. Like before you even click this place, you must know that you are fully ready. Fill all these things very fast. Then answer this question. They want to know how sprite your brain is, how pensive you are, how sprite you are. So that is for this website. So this is the third one I want to give you. Don't forget, I want to train you on how to, without having experience before, how to do proofreading service online, make money, how to do it, how to prepare yourself so that you know this thing and make money. I will show you the skill. I will teach you freely online after watching this video. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. So guys, now look at this. Now this one is ScriptBendy.com. ScriptBendy.com. Now if you click on this editing and proofreading services, so here in the ScriptBendy, the next thing to do if you want to apply, make sure you check through FAQ and related information you need to know about this site before you even apply at all. But if you are ready to apply now, the next thing to do is to come here about us, then click on the jobs. This is the first means, or the second one is to come to the bottom side here, just come down, then you'll see jobs here, or see career. You can click on this career here. So when click on it now, this is the next page that will appear. You see jobs here, then scroll down, you can read further that. So in-house positions are editor-in-chief, in-house editor, proofreader, in-house editor, senior full stack web developer, cloud engineer, freelance position. So let's say you apply as editor-in-chief now. You see information about that one here. So make sure you read it, understand everything, then see. Please apply to, that is, if you want to apply for that position, you have to click here to apply. Please apply to this email. And how will it happen? I said with a cover letter detailing your experience in relations to the above stated job requirements, as well as your resume and salary expectations. ScriptBendy is committed to equal opportunity employment. If you require accommodation during the recruitment and selection process, please let us know. So in-house editor and proofreader, so this is information about that. You can read further about this. And to apply also, see, please apply with your resume and cover letter to this email detailing your experience in relations to the above stated job requirements, as well as your salary expectations. So if you want to apply now, this is where to apply, and any other information, just read through. Developer, maybe software developer or whatever, and you know you are a tech guru, you can also apply for this. So I think I've shown you guys everything you need to see. So now what I promise you now, to develop your skill about proofreading, editing services and everything, so that you can help you to work with some of these websites I've shown you here now. You don't have any skill, you don't know how to do this thing at all. I want to show you now. That's the next thing now, okay? So make sure you give me a like on this video. Drop your comment based on the keywords I've given you, and if you are very new watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's go again, guys. So what I want to do now is I want to look for an article, just one kind raw article we need to work on, edit. So I just come to my YouTube, one of the videos I made here on how to find international buyers for export, guide to starting a charcoal export business in Nigeria. So this one now, let me just copy the contents, transcribe everything. Let me just go and transcribe. Alright, so go to now. This is everything I said, I mentioned in that video. So everything has been transcribed for me using ChatGPT. Now look at it from here. Look at everything I was saying. Look at everything now. So look at this now. Seeing all this one now, you know there are many errors. You know, we are just talking and there are so many errors here now. Now I want to, let's say this is a format given you as a raw document to work in any of these remote job, online remote job services. You are given a document like this and you are given to proofread or edit or whatever. So I want to give you one way you can do that to develop yourself. One way is to come to ChatGPT. Let's say this is the document given you. I just copy it now. Head straight to ChatGPT and come to this place. Let's say it's open like this. If you are using your mobile, if you are using your PC, you should be able to see something like this. Then come to this search button here and type reading. Is it proofreading or proofread? Okay, proofreading. So you see different prompts that have been put in there for proofreading. Look at this: complete proofreading in one click, grammar perfected, correct and refined text, proofreading too. So these are different proofreading, right? Different ones. So it depends on the one you are used to or you are satisfied with the way it works. So you need to test them before you're able to say, oh, this one is okay for me. No, but let me use this one here. Complete proofreading in one click now. Grammar perfected, correct and refined text. So let me try this one first of all. See this one. So this one is copywriting/improve. This one is copywriting/proof. This one is SEO/writing. So let me try this first one. I click it. So this one said paste articles, email, books, etc. So let me just paste those things here. Pasted. You see now. So I'll click on enter now to send. Now let's see the one that what will happen now. Let me scroll down. So now look at this now. Error counts, spelling error 3, grammar error 13, punctuation errors 9. Okay, let's see. Spelling error, meaning should be main. Okay, mean should be main, O should be charcoal, J should be charcoal, you know. So look at this correction. How are we going to get these people to connect with them? Correction. How are we going to connect with these people? So look at all the correction given us now. So if you are given the job now, this thing I've already let you know where you need to work on now. See now, let me search for charcoal now and let me just search for charcoal. Correction, let me search for charcoal. I'll find charcoal. So from here now, you say you can look for, let us search for charcoal. Correction, from here you can look for charcoal. Well, you know it's pronunciation now, and when I'm pronouncing something, it may be typing error. So that's why. But for real, this thing will let you know where the error is and the solution. So this will actually guide you to make some corrections online. Either you are doing something online, there are some jobs whereby it's online, you have to do it. You can stylishly put this thing there. This thing ChatGPT will let you know where the fault is, and you're able to address whom you're chatting with, that kind of thing, because you have been given explanation and you can also deliver. Do you understand it now? So let's go again. So let me continue and say rewrite all the article and make it proofreaded. So let me click enter. Let's see if it will work. Now look at it now. It has it's now writing everything in a perfect way now. Well proofreaded, well edited. Now putting everything for me now. You can see. So apart from just giving me the solution, the thing have already educated me about this. So this is one way. And when done now, you can just copy. Okay, let me hold on for this to finish. So now done. I can copy it from here, or I highlight everything. Okay, but let me copy it from here now. So it's done perfectly. Okay. So another means is you can instruct ChatGPT. Maybe you're not using your PC. So what you should do is just open like this and say, help me to proofread, and okay, just help me to proofread this. Then put this mark there, then paste it, then close it, then click on enter. It's still the same thing. If you are using your mobile phone, you get the same result. So that is one way, using ChatGPT. Another way is to use Quibbot. Quibbot also, you can come to Quibbot. Now and paste everything here, what you want to work on, and paste it here now. So Quibbot, you see paraphrase, Quibbot will put everything here, correct everything here for you. You see now. So this is Quibbot for you to rewrite everything. Okay, so that is a paraphrase, right? So here now, let me look for plagiarism. No, not plagiarism. Summarize, no. Grammar checker. Let me click on this grammar checker. So this is for grammar checker. You can upload your document and paste. So pasted now. So this is the right one I should use to check the grammar and help me correct things here. So look at this. Look at the corrections, different corrections. This is trying to let me know where the fault is. Then remove. So you see now, this is how to do some of these things online and make money. You just have to develop yourself. You understand? Develop yourself. Make sure you learn, advance yourself, invest in yourself, and all this skill now you can use it to make money. Using some of these things I'm giving you. So irrespective of your country, you can do this thing and make money from it. So I think I've done my own part. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a like on this video, and drop your comment. Do you have interest in mini exportation business? Go and watch this video. If you have interest in making money online,